Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you what outfits I wore in Costa Rica. This video was filmed in Costa Rica, but the voiceovers have been done after. Stay tuned for more and subscribe if you like content like this. So first things first, this is my birthday outfit. I was so excited to wear this outfit. I ordered it about a month and a half before. It was sold out, but then I contacted the owner of Simply Ria and she was able to ship out a dress for me on time. So it came in literally 2 days before we left for Costa Rica. It was very flowy and vibrant. I loved taking my birthday pictures in this dress. It fit very comfortably. It had the sheer lining on the outside, which is the ombre, and then a solid dress on the inside, and the material was just absolutely beautiful. The dress was pretty reasonably priced for the quality, and it came in such cute delivery package or shipping package. I love the color. It just made me feel so glamorous on my birthday. Let me know what you think. Outfit number 2 was crucial for Costa Rica. Like anywhere in the tropics, it gets really moist, but we were staying in the rainforest in a cloud forest, and it was moist. Rained every day, and so wearing black was really nice, and the leggings kept me warm, as well as the top kept me nice and secure and comfortable, as well as being able to show some skin when you're in the tropics. You want to be cozy, but you want to also, get a little darker, get a little bit of a tan, and this outfit allowed me to. So the top is from Aritzia. It's a contour off the shoulder top, and then the bottoms I actually got from Shein. They were about 20 bucks. I ordered them before the trip and they came in on time. As always, it came in like a week after I ordered it. The shoes that I'm holding are New Balances. We were about to go for a hike, and this is the outfit that I decided to wear. The tights I wore more than once because they were so comfortable, but again, it was moist, so had to wash and dry. Next, we have the birthday swimsuit. I absolutely love this swimsuit. It was a one piece. I was feeling like I didn't want to show too much skin on my birthday, and yeah, the color just popped. It's pink. It's my favorite color, and it was kind of like a one-piece top mixed in with a two-piece, which I really liked it. And yeah, it was comfortable for the hot springs. Stayed in it for about 3 hours, and then had it underneath a dress when I went to go eat lunch. Got it from Pretty Little Things, and it was about 15-20 bucks. So last but not least is this one piece, and it came with a little skirt. I got it from Shein. I think this was about $10 Canadian. That is, all of this is in Canadian currency, but so cute and comfortable. It was a little bit baggy, but a little shimmy here, but comfortable, and I love the colors. It just really was subtle, but a little pop next to the green, and I felt comfortable in it, and yeah, I felt like it was a really great choice. So that concludes what I wore in Costa Rica for vacation. Remember, when you're packing for anything like a vacation in a warm place, you want to ensure you have a few key pieces. And I think this trip, it was the birthday outfit, of course, something to be dressy in, as well as like a matching comfortable pair of heels in case you're going out to a fancy restaurant or whatever the case may be, and tights. The tights that I wore, I didn't bring my Lululemons just because they had a hole in them, and so what I did was I ordered like a dope off of Shein, and it was amazing, $20, and they were super comfortable. They hugged the body, kept me warm, dried really quickly since we were in the rainforest. If you are traveling to Costa Rica, just understand that depending on where you go, if you're going to La Fortuna and you're going to be in the rainforest, it's very moist, so your clothes don't really have an opportunity to dry, and the clothes that are dry in your luggage can get moist if you keep your luggage open. So keeping that in mind, bringing rain jackets, things like that is really vital. We didn't bring any this trip. We just kind of enjoyed it as it was, but if I were to go again, or when we do go again, I will bring a rain jacket and waterproof clothes for the duration of the trip. I hope you found this helpful, and comment below your favorite outfit, any trips that are coming up, or anything you want to talk about regarding Costa Rica. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love making content like this for you guys, so comment, subscribe, and like for more. See ya!